ओ मियां मुझे तराश न कर ज़ौक़े बेखुदी ये सुजूद, नजर की चंद शुआओं में गिर गया हूँ मैं।
Taksali Gate, the only opening of the walled city to the west. Once known as the Lucky Gate, this area hides the single arterial route that runs from east to west and connects Taksali Gate to Delhi Gate. It is believed that the name of this gate came from the presence of the Royal Mint, located just behind it, the Taksal. Though the facility was taken down during the British Raj, the name continues. Here in these dingy streets lies Pakistan's oldest cinema, Pakistan Talkies, first set up as Nazir Theatre in 1905. Unfortunately today, this historic cinema plays host to adult films only. And maybe for that reason we were stopped from shooting anywhere near the place. Up ahead there is a famous, or rather infamous bazaar known as Hira Mandi. This market has been named after Hira Singh, the son of a minister in Ranjit Singh's royal court. During the Mughal era, beautiful courtesans lived in this area, keeping the art of traditional singing and dancing alive.
अब यही है, एक गाना सुना, बाद में उसी गाने के पैसे उसके हाथ में पकड़ाए और अंदर की जोन थी ना वो चुटकी ले गए.
But during the British Raj, brothel houses were set up for the recreation of British soldiers. And the place, which was once a hub of traditional culture, slowly lost its aesthetic charm and became a center for prostitution.
एक डीजे जाता है वहाँ पे डांसर भी जाती है, डांसर वो जाती है जो ये 2 in 1 काम कर लेती है. इस वजह से जितने भी अच्छे आर्टिस्ट हैं, अच्छे डांसर या अच्छे सिंगर, उन्होंने वहाँ से किनारा कर लिया और वहाँ से वो भाग गए.
Today, the dark streets around this place paint a very dirty picture. With no proper sewage system, walking along these narrow lanes is like going down a drain. Where once one could hear the beautiful sound of music and ghungroos, now you see prostitutes lurking in dark corners calling for customers. It is sad that most of the people know this place because of these brothel houses. But apart from these unhealthy activities, Taksali Gate is well known for the traditional Lahori food like siri pai and tawa peas. Famous landmarks of this area, like the house of Sir Ganga Ram, are now virtually unknown to the world. Some other noble figures like the famous Urdu poet Maulana Altaf Hussain Hali also once lived in this area. Only one place remains in good condition, the residence of renowned socialite and the grandson of our poet Allama Muhammad Iqbal, Yusuf Salahuddin. The Salahuddin Haveli is a prime example of the beautiful and exotic architecture that still exists here from the Mughal era. However, the area around this majestic Haveli takes us back to the hard reality.
Why we blame our authorities for all the failures? Don't you think that our society has an equal share in this negligence towards this historic city? This is Zuhaib Salim Butt reporting for Express 24/7, Wall City, Taksali Gate, Lahore.